how to change your battle.net password step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your shop.battle.net, and then from there what you can actually do is simply make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile avatar that you'll be able to see on the top right corner, tap on login, and in all of the credentials of your account in order to log into your account. And after logging into your account, of course, you're going to get to the dashboard just like this. Then from here, what you're going to do is again tap on that profile avatar right here, and now you'll actually be able to get into your account settings. So when you do tap on account settings, you'll be able to simply select the option of security. From there, simplifying the option of security, tap on security, and then you can actually see the option of update next to your password. So what you're going to do is simply tap on that update button that you'll be able to see alongside your password. Then from there, you can confirm your old password, enter your new password, and then tap on save in order to save it. And just like that, you've successfully be able to change your battle.net password. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.